Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your most requested love and work forecast for Pisces for the year 2022. And friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Winds Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. This is a charms reading also for the year 2022, and you can buy your own personal 2022 readings, friends, from our website. They are super detailed, super accurate, and much helpful, and very in depth. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website, and please do subscribe, friends. We work very hard, so please subscribe, like and share. And today we're going to look at your love, work, and career and charms. So yes, so let us see, Pisces, let us see your theme for the year. Then we're going to look at your love life, work, and career. Let's see, Pisces, theme of the year for Pisces for the year 2022. I'll pick that card that went down, the Hermit. Okay, the 10 of cups. Wow, and let's see that card, and woohoo, the Wheel of Fortune. So this is interesting. This is a very powerful year for you, Pisces. First things first, this is a year of family, and connecting more with your roots, with your with your roots, with your past, with your nostalgia. You're connecting with your roots, with your family, with your, I don't know, your ethnicity. You will feel very connected with your family, with your past, with your roots, with your childhood. And this is, if you are single, this is a great year for getting married, because family is extremely important for you, Pisces, the Hermit. You are in a very powerful and wise energy, friends. This is the year of wisdom for you. This is the year of you becoming or taking spiritual mentorship, you becoming advanced, you becoming very a master at whatever you are doing. I also feel this is the year where you will be a little less you will be interacting less on social media and more in real life. Like, you don't want to interact with a lot of people. You are keeping yourself to yourself, and for very close friends and family. You will be taking a break from social media. Some of you actually could be taking a break from your work and career and going for farming, going for some long work from home, work from mountains, work from the beaches, kind of a thing in the year 2022. So it's a great year. And not just that, the Wheel of Fortune. So yes, this is your year of luck. You have a lot of luck coming your way in this year, friends. Yes, this is absolutely the year where everything falls into your place without much effort. Yes, you will be taking efforts, you will be making the efforts, but still, this is your year where success is high, and hard, without even after working, you will have ample of success, and even with little work, you will have a lot of success. But you are a loner this year, in the way, like, if you're single, you will not mind it, because you are happy or with having good relationships with your family or with close friends. I do feel some of you could be relocating this year, or shifting or changing. Some of you could be going back to your villages, your farms, or you are buying or investing in farmlands. Some of you could actually be going or moving to a resort, like a beach place. And so if you are single, you could be meeting someone who lives at a farm or in a beach kind of a city or country, a beachy place, a coastal place. And I do see it's a very lucky partnership. So let us see your love life, Pisces. All right. Okay, lots of cards came out. The Two of Cups, the Hierophant, and the Seven of Wands. And this came out in reverse, the King of Cups. All right. So, quick cards. The mid of the year for Pisces. Four of Cups. Page of Swords. Six of Swords. The Two of Pentacles. End of the year for Pisces. The Emperor, the Eight of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Five of Wands. Wow, interesting. I do see that some of you, Pisces, could be dealing with choices in your love life. Definitely, if you are single, you will have more than one option. But even if you are coupled up, you will have certain choices in your love life. So it's a strong year, transformative year when you may leave a marriage, or you may fall into marriage, like had very quick marriage may happen for you. Let's see. The first half of the year is extremely good for you. Two of Cups, yes, you will be having a lot of harmony in your relationships. If you are single, chance of meeting the right one is extremely high. I also feel that whoever is coming towards you or your relationships are extremely, divinely guided in the year, in the first half of the year. I don't know who is having a headache right now. It's really bad. I think you should take care of it. I'm sorry, I'm laughing, but I really can feel it. It's I think you should try and drink some water. Maybe that might help. Try and have a, maybe take medical assistance if necessary, but try and do something. It is a nagging headache. It's a nasty headache, so take care of it. I send you a lot of love and blessings. Okay, whoever it was, please mention it in the comments. All right. So, first half of the year is quite good for you. There is a chance of meeting your soulmate, your lover, reuniting with them. The Hierophant, yes, some of you could actually be getting married in the first half of the year. You could be getting the destined one, meeting the desired proposal. Marriage, religion, culture, traditionality, all those things value a lot to you in the first half of the year. I also feel that. If you meet somebody, talks about marriage will be important to you, discussing marriage, discussing long term commitment, these things. Or you may meet someone, if you are single, you may meet somebody who is extremely religious or committed, very, very solid person. The Seven of Wands. Yeah, I do feel that in your relationships, you are very close to achieving a goal, getting married to your lover, your twin flame, or you are very close to meeting the right person. So do not give up in the first half of the year. And the King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person might be important to you. I do feel, Pisces, that in the first half of the year, you may feel a little less emotional and more practical. You may want to take actions where, which are practical rather than just emotional. So you may feel like, others may feel like, Pisces, you are becoming less romantic when you are the most romantic sign, right? So people may feel like you are a little less romantic. What's going on? I think you are being only practical and smart, or you are being only protective about yourself, which is perfect. So let us see the mid of the year. All right. Well, the mid of the year will start to be very, very busy for your love life. There will be a lot on your plate. It will be tough to manage everything, your work, your home, your family, your love life. And your partner will also be extremely busy with their work and career. So, life will be busy mid of the year for you. Four of Cups, yeah, you may actually take a break from social media or from your partner, or your partner may take a break, sorry, Pisces, in the mid of the year, because Hermit, you may suddenly decide that it is fun to be alone and you want to, like, hey, I'll take a solo trip, and your partner is like, really? That's how it is. And also, some of you may actually be taking, giving your partner, each other a little space, because that is how this is the mid of the year. But as soon as you give each other some space and time, things will get more exciting in your love life, in your marriage. Things will be exciting. The troubles will end. News and messages of love will come your way. The mid of the year, I also feel some of you could be having like childbirth, pregnancy chances, because I do see you are having difficulty in conceiving. So, mid of the year is good for that. Page of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be very, very important for you. I also feel romance, if you are single, maybe online at this point of time, and you could meet somebody online which will change your life, and it will be an interesting relationship. This person seems very interesting and could be someone who is very spiritual, or someone you meet by a stroke of destiny. So keep that in mind, Pisces. Let us see what else. The end of the year. Oh my God. The end of the year will bring you a lot of choices, Pisces, in your love life. So you could be choosing, or between two lovers, between two ideas, between two decisions in your love life. Yes, choices there at the end of the year. And the Emperor, yes, you could be, you want your person to take charge at the end of the year. You want your person to take charge, to bring commitment, and to be there for you like a warrior, to stand with you through the thick and thin. If they are not doing that, Pisces, you may actually choose another person, because that is how it looks like. If you will have certain choices, so you will think about the other person, because your person you want your person to take charge, you want them to lead. If they are not doing that, you will think about another. I don't know, will you take action or not? No, but you will think about the other person also. Air of Pentacles, yes, I do see that your person will act, your lover will actually be, they will get the hint that you want them to work hard, and they will start to take care of your relationship. Five of Wands, yeah, I do feel that at the end of the year there might be a little difference of opinion between you and your person. Like there is a difference of opinion and argument, or you may have more than one option available in love. So take your time, don't be too hasty or quick to just decide at the end of the year, Pisces. Let us see your advice, then work and career. Yeah, see, patience, exactly what I told you. Patience is very necessary for you, Pisces. Obstacles and challenges. Yes, there will be certain obstacles and delays. Like, Pisces, you are in that energy where you want to be connected with people, but at the same time, you want to have some solo time as well. Or you want to be left alone and you want to be married also. So it is a conundrum that you have. What you do with it? There will be certain blocks happening in your love life, but they are short lived if you are patient. Number 5 again, 14 is 5. If you are patient, you will be able to achieve a lot of success in your relationships and movement, choices and decisions. Yes, you will have an opportunity to choose between a partner, or to choose, improve your love life in some way. You will have that choice, so make the right decisions, Pisces. Let's see your work and career now. Ten of Pentacles, wow, a lot of success is coming. The Page of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, and the Temperance. Oh my God, this is a very, very busy year for you, Pisces. Yes, I do feel right now you are having this Three of Swords energy, where you are a little disappointed with your work and career or your studies. So, this will be at the start of the year. You will still feel like you need to, ramp, you need to do something about your career. But with this Wheel of Fortune, your luck will be favoring you. Jupiter, Saturn will be favoring you, Pisces. And that is what is gonna change and, magically transform your career. Ten of Pentacles, a lot of money is coming your way. I do feel you will make, deals or partnerships this year that will change your life. Some of you could actually be getting a job that is very lucrative, that will bring a lot of money. Also, even if nothing, you will get money from farming, money from past investment, money from inheritances of the family. Family businesses will give you some money, so money is coming in. Page of Pentacles, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will be important to you, Pisces, so remember that. Also, I see that whatever success was denied to you, Pisces, it will be coming to you in this year. All the success that's denied will be given to you this year. The money that was not coming, it will be coming to you now. This is the year where your fame will grow, your prestige will grow, and not just money, but fame, success, and people will notice you, people will acknowledge you. But one thing you need to keep in mind, Pisces, and what is that? It is the Temperance. You have to stay in balance. I do feel you are so obsessed about your work and career that you may forget to rest. And that is why it will start to affect your work and career, will start to affect your love life, because you are not resting. You are working, working, working. So that is what you need to do and keep in mind in the year 2022. Take some rest and take some time for yourself and for your, love life, and, just your body, mind and soul. Take some time. Let's see the advice. Oh, expect miracles. Oh wow, compassion. Okay, so we don't do reversals in this because this I don't. This is an advice card. Expect miracles. So this is the year you can expect miracles. You can also expect a lot of success, a change in your luck, you becoming a leader. Also, you finding the right proposal. So miracles are coming. Compassion. Yes, friends. It is, you need to be kind to yourself, you need to take care of yourself, and also don't forget to rest, friends, because it is a busy year for you. I also feel some of you could be actually moving back with your parents, like, going back to your parents, your grandparents, and you will kind of really like that, this shift in going back to your parents, to your roots, to your villages. You will really enjoy it, it will give you some much needed peace and harmony. Let me just separate them so we can study them more quickly. So, wow, that's a very specific letters D and T and K. So, your person's name could be from D, T, and K, So, yeah. Kitty, their name could be Kitty. Starfish, your wishes will be coming true. This is your wishes coming true here. The child, the clown, actually. So, smile. This is your year where you can smile, enjoy, have some fun. It is necessary. The bunny rabbit, passions are very, very high this year. The shoe, yeah, some of you could actually be buying more shoes, taking, I feel you should take care of your feet, friends, legs, because you are so busy you may actually forget to take care of yourself. So this is also about you going places, but take care of your feet, buy some proper shoes, don't try too much fancy shoes. Three, the number three is important. Three could be the March month or the date three. Dark horse, yes, you are very successful this year, you are very protected. The heart, there is a love, there's a strong connection with you and a person, and that's coming, a soulmate, a twin flame, or a friend that will a partnership, a deal that with a friend or a partner. So that is there. Tree of life, family is very, very, very important. The wheel of fortune, yes, you are extremely lucky. The snowflake, yes, miracles will come your way. Owl, listen to your intuition. This is the mezzo piano, heart. This is like, this is like making peace with the past. This is like you falling in love. Something you did in the past will come back to you this year, like good karma. If you loved somebody in the past, you will now be rewarded with love. If you were kind to somebody, you will have that kindness. Look at that crush energy. So someone is really crushing on you in this year. You will really like it. The flower, you will have bouquets or flowers or gifts coming your way. Also, you are growing. Eight of Cups, yeah, you will be changing certain things, letting go. Nine of Wands. Do not give up on your dreams, friends. You are very close to achieving. Mother, yeah, some of you could be missing your mother, or you have a strong connection with your mother this year. Dear, you are very sensitive. And Ladybug, you are extremely lucky, friends. This is the third lucky charm you are getting. You have the Wheel of Fortune, you have the Wheel of Fortune in cards, you have also the Ladybug. Five of Years, yes, there are people who may disappoint you this year, or from past they will come back. Luck, oh my god, Pisces, luck, 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 luck. How much luck you have? Luck, Lady Luck, Wheel of Fortune, Wheel of Fortune, Six of Cups, a soulmate is coming, a soul friend or a soulmate. Ace of Coins, something new in your work will begin. It will be time consuming project, but it will bring you a lot of money and as well as fame. Tiger, you are very ambitious. Eight of Wands, you are extremely active about your work and career. That's it, Pisces. Wow, what a year for you. Really busy and really lucky. So subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Insta. This is Mystic C Singh. Bye bye.